choose that answer from the given options. Okay, what we have to do, we have to solve the word problem first and then we have to choose the correct answer from the given options. Okay, so we'll start now. And children, whenever you are writing any word problem or anything, please write correct spelling. So I'll read this. Rohan, first word problem I'm reading, that this is bit number A. Rohan invited 87 friends for a birthday party. 61 of his friends came for the party. How many friends did not come? So the question is, listen very carefully children. There's one boy, Rohan. He invited 87 friends for his birthday party. Okay, he invited 87 friends for his birthday party. And out of those 87 friends, only 61 came for the party. Out of those 87 means total number of friends were 87, and out of those 87 friends, only 61 came for his birthday party. Now the question is, how many friends did not come? How many friends did not come? So they gave us total number of friends, and out of those, how many came, they told us. Now they are asking how many did not come. How many of them did not come? So what we'll do? We'll do subtraction here. Okay? We'll do subtraction here. So before that, we'll start writing the statement. You all have sufficient space here. Now start writing the statement, children. And your handwriting should be neat and clean. So this is number of friends Rohan invited is equal to 8787, right? Then in the next line you will write number of friends. Children, start writing, and you all should write correct spelling. Number of friends came is equal to 6161. Right? Number of friends Rohan invited is equal to 8787. Suryansh, you are not writing? Yes, children, you all should do your work yourself. Okay? Then only you will be able to increase your writing speed. You all should write yourself. Yes. Now what we'll do? We will arrange these two numbers 8787 and 6161 in ones and tens column. So this T stands for tens and O stands for ones. We all know this. Our first number is 8787. So we will write this 8 in tens place and we will write 7 in ones place. Then next number is 6161. So what we'll do, we'll write 6 in tens place and we'll write 1 in ones place. Okay. After this, what we have to do? We have to subtract these given numbers, right? Again, whenever we have to subtract the given numbers, we always start subtracting the number in ones place first. We always start subtracting the number in ones place first. Now here in ones place, numbers are 7 and 1. Numbers are 7 and 1. So, Advait Gujjar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Advish. Camera on, please. Show me your 7 fingers. Yes, Advait. Now from these 7 fingers, how many you have to remove?
1.
Now remove 1 finger and take your left. Yes, how many are left? Count.
6.
Yes. 6 fingers are left.
6.
7 minus 1 is 6. So we will write 6 in ones place. We will write 6 in ones place. Okay, that's correct. Now, Ananya, you unmute yourself and tell me what are the numbers in tens? Yeah, what are the numbers in tens place?
8 and 6.
8 and 6. So how many fingers you will take out?
8.
From your 8 fingers.
Come on, show me 8 fingers.
5, 6, 7.
Now how many you have to remove?
6.
Now remove 6 fingers. So how many are left?
2.
Very good, Ananya. So 2 fingers are left. So answer. What is the answer, Ananya?
2, 6, 26.
Very good. Good girl. So answer is 2, 6, 26, children. Answer is 2, 6, 26. Now, if you will look at the number very carefully, in tens place we have 2 and in ones place we have 6. In tens place we have 2 and in ones place we have 6. Siddharth, tell me, Siddharth, do one thing. First, read both the options. What is there in option A? Downside. Options are there.
2 tens.
Plus. Yeah, 2 tens plus
6 ones.
is equal to.
26.
Okay, and what is the second option?
6 tens
Yes, 6 tens.
plus 2 ones
Yes.
is equal to
Yeah.
22. 62.
Yeah, is equal to 62. Now, Siddharth, you tell me which option is correct.
First option.
Yes, very good. Children, our first option is correct because we got answer 2, 6, 26 and in first option, after equal to sign, it is 2, 6, 26 and moreover, we can write 26 as 2 tens plus 6 ones. So, what you have to do? You have to put a tick at the correct option. So A option is correct. Put a tick here, children. Put a tick at option A.
At option.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Now, yes, children. Now, second word problem. This is Ben makes a tall tower using 79 blocks. There's one boy, Ben. He made a tall tower by using 79 blocks. 32 blocks fall down. Out of those 79, 32 blocks fall down. How many blocks are left in the tower? There's one boy, Ben. He made a tall tower. He made a tall tower using 79 blocks, and out of those 79 blocks, 32 blocks fall down. They are asking how many are left in the tower. Mayuri, 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 am I audible to you?
Ma'am.
Mayuri, am I audible to you? Mayuri, left word is there. Addition or subtraction?
Hello, ma'am.
Mayuri, you are audible. Mayuri, you are audible. Mayuri, am I audible?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Problem is from your side, Mayuri. Okay. Mana,
Yes.
good morning, Mana. Please wake up. Yeah, Mana, tell me left word is there. Addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Very good. Addition, sorry. Left word is there, so subtraction is there. We will subtract the given numbers. Okay, Mana, thank you so much. Okay, now children, what we'll do, we'll start writing these statements. Yes. So, start writing now, children. Number of blocks when used is equal to 7979. Number of blocks when used is equal to 7979. Then next line, number of, and children write as it is. How I am writing, please write as it is, okay? Number of blocks fell down is equal to how many? 3, 232. Number of blocks when used is equal to 79. Number of blocks fell down is equal to 3, 232. Then again same thing. Our next step is to arrange the numbers in ones and tens column. Right, so our first number is 7979. So we will write 7 in ones, 7 in tens place and 9 in ones place. Then in the next line, we will put minus sign. Then our next number is 3, 232. So we will write 3 in tens place and 2 in ones place. All right. Now we have to subtract the given numbers. Okay. Tanvisri, you tell me what are the numbers in ones place? What are the numbers in ones place?
Ones place 9, 2.
9 and 2. Okay, so tell me how many fingers you will take out?
9.
Show me your 9 fingers. How many you will remove?
2.
Remove 2 fingers. Then count and tell me how many are left.
7.
Very good. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So we'll write here 7. Very good, Tanvisri. 7. Okay. We'll write here 7. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract the number in tens place. Bhavashrit, you tell me what are the numbers in tens place?
Concentrate, Jia.
Bhavashrit.
Wait, Babashit. See here.
Yeah, Bhavashrit, tell me what are the numbers in tens place now?
7 and 3.
7 and 3. So tell me how many fingers you will take out and how many you will remove.
Take out 3.
No,
From 7.
we'll remove 3 from 7. Show me your 7 fingers. Now remove 3 fingers quickly and tell me how many are left.
4.
4 are left. Very good. So we'll write 4 now in tens place. So answer is 4, 7, 47. Veda, you read option A and option B. Read option 7 tens.
Option B.
Option A and B. First read both the options.
Read both the options, Anta.
One by one.
Option A. 7 tens, 4 ones.
7 tens plus 4 ones.
24.
How you will read that? 7 tens plus 4 ones. Okay, Veda? Yes, Veda. Next.
Chappu.
74 is the answer. 47 is the answer.
Okay, that's fine, Veda. I said read both the options.
4 tens, 7 ones.
Plus
Who will
Plus.
read that plus
4
symbol?
10 plus 7 1.
Plus symbol is also there, no? Read that.
Yes.
Yeah.
नीचे जाइए.
4
Plus.
7 ones.
So this is 4
47.
equal to symbol you did not read, Veda. You should read each and every symbol. So 4
Equal
tens.
to.
Yeah. So you will read it as 4 tens plus 7 ones is equal to 47. Okay. You should not miss any symbol. Fine. Now tell me, Veda, which option is
Okay,
correct?
ma'am.
Which option is correct?
Option B.
Yes, children, option B is correct. So we will put a tick on option B. You can see here in option B, we have 4 in tens place and 7 in ones place, right? And is equal to 4, 7, 47. And our answer is also 4, 7, 47. Okay. Oh, yes, children, we forgot to write here our last statement. Please write your last statement also in every word problem. In first word problem, we'll write our last statement. Yes, children, please write. I forgot to write. 26 friends. First one. 26 friends did not come. Yes, children, please write these last statements also. I forgot to write. Please write now. In the first word problem, you will write 26 friends did not come. Write this one. And in second word problem also, please write the last statement. 4, 7, 47 blocks are left. Yes, children, please write. 47 blocks are left. Again, I'm repeating, children, please write this last statement also in both the word problems. In the first one, you have to write 26 friends did not come, and in the second one, you have to write 47 blocks are left. Please write that. And after this, take out your math notebook, write date and classwork in your math notebook quickly. Yes, children, take out your math notebook, write date and classwork in your math notebook now. Okay, I think I gave you all sufficient time. Right? Is there anyone who is still writing? And if there is no one, I will clear this. Veda, still writing? Veda, still writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write fast. I'll give you 1 minute. Yes, Suryansh, still writing?
Alright.
Suryansh, you raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, sir, okay. Yes, children, I'll give you 1 minute. Please write fast. And those who have completed, please take out your math notebook, write date and classwork in your math notebook. Mana, show me your math notebook. Notebook, small one. Notebook, I said. Yeah, okay, open it and write date and classwork. Take out new page, write date and classwork. Yes, I Ritvik.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sending messages that is disturbing to him to write. It's disturbing the screen.
What, ma'am? I didn't get you.
Someone is sending the message continuously that is disturbing to him to write.
Okay, okay, ma'am. I'll see that.
Disturbing the screen. Can you please
Okay,
check?
ma'am. Messages. Okay, fine, fine. Okay. Yes, children. Stop sending messages. Ashrita, Ansel Raj, stop sending messages now. You are disturbing other children also. And next time if I see you, I'll remove you from the class. This is very bad. You should not disturb others. And Siddharth, you also. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? Again, I'm asking, is there anyone who is still writing? No? Okay, fine. So I'm clearing all this. Yes, children. Now what you have to do is you have to write that question in your math notebook first, your first word problem. Okay, this is the bigger one. Leave this first start, first write this one. Yes, children, write this question in your math notebook. This is, there were 57 eggs in a farm. 14 of them hatched. How many eggs are left? Okay. Write this word problem in your math notebook quickly, children. I'll give you 1 minute time. Write this in your math notebook and then we'll start writing these statements. Yes, children, please write fast. There were 57 eggs in a farm. 14 of them hatched. How many eggs are left? Write this quickly. Yes, children, please write fast. Yes, children, quickly. Yes, is there anyone who is still writing? Again, I'm asking, is there anyone who is still writing? Okay, fine. So nobody is writing. So we'll start now. This is, there's one farm and in that farm there were 57 eggs. Okay, there was one farm and in that farm there were 57 eggs, and out of those 57 eggs 14 hatched. 14 eggs hashed. Means 14 eggs broke. Okay, 14 eggs broke. Now the question is, how many eggs are left? Again, now this left word. Again, this left word is there, right? So now what we'll do, addition or subtraction? Ashita, you tell me addition or subtraction? Left word is there.
Addition.
Wrong. Ashita, same question I asked you yesterday also. At that time also you said addition. Whenever this left word is there, we always do subtraction. We always do subtraction. Daily I'm repeating this thing. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll start writing the statement. Again, I'll repeat. Question is, in a farm, there were 57 eggs, and out of those 57 eggs, 14 eggs hatched. Hatched means broke. Now, they are asking how many eggs are left. Means how many eggs are remaining. So, we'll start writing the statement. Number of eggs. And please write correct spelling, children. Number of eggs in a farm is equal to 5757. Then in the next line, number of eggs. Yes, children, write fast. Number of eggs broke is equal to 1414. Write this. After this, we'll arrange them in ones and tens column. Yes. So our first number is 5757. So we will write that 5 in tens place and 7 in ones place. Then our next number is 1414. So we'll write 1 in tens place and 4 in ones place. Now we'll subtract the given numbers. Arhan. Arhan. Arhan, now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
7 and 4.
7 and 4. So tell me 7 minus 4 how much?
3.
Very good. 7 minus 4 is 3, children. So we will write 3 in ones place. Okay, that's correct. Very good, Arhan. Now next we'll subtract the number in tens place. Right? Akshara,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the numbers in tens place? Two numbers are there in tens place. What are those two numbers?
74.
Oh, no, tens place. That T stands for tens. 5 and 1. What are the numbers?
51, ma'am.
No, Akshara. We will
15.
read. No. We will read both these numbers separately. 5 and 1. How you will read it?
5 and 1.
Yes, we'll read it separately. This is 5 and 1. So now tell me 5 minus 1 how much? Show me your 5 fingers.
4,
again.
ma'am.
Very good. That's correct answer. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we will write this 4 in tens place. Now what is the answer, Akshara?
43.
Very good. Answer is 4343. That's correct. Okay, children. So now we'll write our last statement. So number of eggs left. Start writing. Leave one line and then write. Number of eggs left is equal to 4343. Number of eggs left is equal to 4343. Write this answer quickly, children, and then we'll do our next word problem. Number of eggs left is equal to 4343. Yes, children, is there anyone who is still writing? Ashrita, I said to stop messaging. Okay, I hope nobody is writing because none of you have used that raise hand option. So I am clearing all this now. Now children, write your next word problem. Just ignore this number 1 and start writing your second word problem, children. There were 34 flowers on a plant. Mary took 22 of them to make a garland. How many flowers are left on the plant now? Start writing this word problem. Rohit Chaudhary, start writing. Later on you will say I did not write. Yes, children, start writing. I want you all to write in your notebook. Yes, Anvit.
Ma'am, show me the first one word problem.
Anvit, now you are saying I already cleared everything. Now that word problem is not there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll try to upload it on MCB. Okay. From there you can see.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And children, again I'm repeating, please share your classwork and homework with me daily. Quite fast. And do not make any spelling mistake while writing the question. Yes, those who are still writing, please write fast. Yes, children, less than 1 minute.